This is a little video for AJ, who asked me about a clutch alignment tool for a 200 TDI. There's several types of clutch alignment tools that I keep. The one we're concerned with is this one. These are old input shafts I've cut off gearboxes, but basically this is for all of the Defender range, all the 4-cylinder Defender range. This one here is for the V8s. It's slightly smaller, and this one, well, this is for the old series. They were all the same 10 spline sort. But you want to make a clutch alignment tool. You really need one, but you haven't got one. So what you're going to do, because there's the bush, and the idea is that you've got to align that bush, this shaft, into that bush, but at the same time keeping the splines aligned in the clutch. Now, the outside diameter of that is 1 inch, the outside diameter of the spline, and the inside of that bush here is 7/8. Obviously they didn't worry about metric too much in those days. So you could either turn a piece of metal down or a piece of wood, because you're only going to use it for a very short period of time, or if you dig around in your toolbox you might find a socket like that, and this is perfect. And if you want to work out roughly, if you haven't got any measuring equipment, what you can do, you can go to your vise, clamp this in sort of the middle so it's nice and central, so it's not tipping, and look at that. That is just about perfect. So you can dig around in your toolbox and have a look for a socket, because they're all over the place, because these are just around about standard size. This is a 9/16 deep socket. I wouldn't suggest you use a small socket, because if it gets stuck inside the clutch you won't be able to get it out, you know, if it gets stuck in that bushing, and I think you'll be alright. So that's a little trick how to use a clutch alignment tool when you haven't got a clutch alignment tool.